Showing you, first of all, people's 544A. What is that?
That's the Q204.
And that is the gate?
That's correct.
Okay, now that is the evidence, right?
Correct. That's the blood stain from the gate.
And is this an attempt by you to determine whether or not you can find the daughter 160 ion?
That's correct.
Do you identify this as the daughter 160 ion being present?
That is correct, yes.
Now, how do you account for the random peaks that you see, jagged peaks below the one larger peak?
Again, that's electrical noise.
Now, the fact that you see that electrical noise, and in addition to that one peak, what does that tell you about the strength of the signal for the 160 daughter ion?
Well, it's closer to the noise level, or it's becoming very close to the noise level in the instrument.
Does that mean it's a weaker signal?
That's correct.
I'm showing you 544B. Is this an attempt by you to see if you can find the full daughter spectrum, that is the 132 as well as the 160, in the rear gate stain?
Yes, that's correct.
And are you able to identify anything that would allow you, are you able to identify the full daughter spectrum in the rear gate blood stain?
No, I am not.
Can you explain why?
Well, there's several possibilities. One is it's not EDTA. Another would be that it's below my detectable limit.
But what do you see here in the graph?
Well, the graph is just strictly instrumental noise. There's no signal that's recognizable above the noise level.
Do you have an identification of the 132 daughter?
No.
And if there was 132 daughter below your detectable limit, could it have come from an EDTA test tube?
Yes.
And what is your detectable limit?
It's difficult to tell, but it's somewhere around 10 parts per million.
And what was the amount of EDTA you found in the blood taken from the test tubes?
Well, calculated, it should be between 1 and 2,000 parts per million.
Then based on the findings in the last two charts, there are A and B, 544A and B on the rear gate stain. Is there a full daughter spectrum?
No, there is not.
Would you identify the substance found in the blood on the rear gate as EDTA based on that finding?
No, I would not.
Would it be scientifically appropriate or correct, in your opinion, to do so?
No, it would not.